Wagwan, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you I make my Escovitch sauce. First and foremost, big up Father God, okay? We go jump into the intro, then I'm going to show you all my ingredients I'm using for my sauce.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So these are the ingredients I'm using for my Escovitch sauce. Here, I have some hot pepper, and this is like 5 of them. I have some sweet pepper, the orange, yellow, and green. Here I have 2 onions, I have 1 carrot, I have some powdered sugar. You don't have to use the powdered sugar, okay? You could use the regular granulated sugar. This is what I have now, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of it. Here I have some salt. Over here, sir, I have white vinegar. And here I have some pimento berries. Now I'm going to prep all of these to make the sauce. Okay, my people, now I'm going to start off by peeling the carrot. So, okay, now I'm gonna cut it like this. Just like this. Okay. Then I'm going to make some slices like this. I'll turn it around. Okay, my people, now I'm going to cut them here in julienne strips, okay? So, like this. Okay, my people, this is it. So this is all of the carrots. So we have to wash the peppers them. Just rinse them off. Okay, now I'm cutting the peppers and I'm cutting them in julienne strips. So I do like this. And I cut out the inside. This part, I'm not gonna use this part, okay, my people? I'm gonna use this for something else. So you just wanna cut it just like this. Okay, that is the orange pepper. Now I'm cutting the yellow. Thing. Go to the green one. Cut same way. So this is all of the sweet peppers. Now I'm going to peel the onions and cut them. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the onions them in rings. Just want to make sure you hold it firm. Just like that. Like when you reach here, so you do like this. You hold the knife like this. See? So you won't have to cut yourself. So I'm put the onions them in a separate bowl. Because we're going to start off with the onions first, okay? Right now, we're going to cut the peppers them. Just like this. Pretty easy. We finished to prep everything now. Now we're going to the stove. Okay, now I'm going to start off 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add the onions. I don't want the onions them to overcook, so I don't make the pot too hot to add the onions, okay? Just I saute them just a little bit. I just want to stir them around for like 3 minutes. We just sweat them just a little bit because we want them to be crunchy. Now I'm going to add the carrots. Going to add the sweet pepper. Going to add the pimentos. Going to add the hot peppers. Now we're going to add roughly 2 cups of white vinegar. 2 cups. I'm going to allow this to come to a boil. Soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to add the salt and the sugar and turn it off. Because remember, we need them to crunch. We need them to crunch. You okay, my people? Okay, my people, now it's boiling. I'm going to add my sugar. So we just go add a tablespoon of white sugar. That 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now I'm going to turn off the stove. So now I'm going to put them in some mason jar. So this is how my Escovitch sauce look in the jar when it finished. So please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out.